Alright, the next boat we're looking at is the FT series. This is the smaller one of the FT011, and this is the FT12. So this is inside the hull. This again does use a LiPo battery, and it came with an 1800 milliamp battery, and we upgraded it to 2200 so we can get a little bit more playtime out of it. It's a very fast boat for the price. I think we picked it up for a little under $100. I mean, it is quick. So yeah, let's take her out on the water and see how it does. Alright, you guys, welcome back. This is the FT series, FT012, I believe it is, or the FT12. But yeah, it's a miniature version of the FT11. It's a lot smaller, it's about half the size, but man, does it go as fast, if not faster, than the bigger one. I mean, it is, you can really have some fun with it. I definitely enjoy it, that's for sure, on this lake. It's the fastest boat that I have, but like I said, you can get pretty crazy with it pretty quick. And it's kind of loud, so if you're in a backyard, be nice to your neighbors and just do it during the day and not towards the evening. Just being courteous. But yeah, it can be a quick boat, that's for sure. But yeah, that's the FT012 boat. Very reliable boat, and I think this was only about 80 bucks. So if you're looking for a really fast boat and, you know, pretty reasonably priced, this is definitely the boat. Even the bigger one was more around 160, 180. So I mean, for less than 100 bucks and you get a pretty quick boat, and maybe you want to spend an extra 30, 40 bucks to get a higher capacity milliamp battery, but other than that, I mean, it's a pretty cool boat. I also like this boat because it's got two rods that help support the turret, which is really nice. I think it's a very well made boat, and it's pretty quick. So for the price, definitely a go-getter.